This is Channel V8X, and today, we're not just looking at a car, we're witnessing pure automotive dominance. Get ready for the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur in white. A machine that doesn't ask for attention, it commands it. Front view, aggression and presence. From the very first look at the front, this thing hits different. That massive chrome grille? It's not just design, it's a statement of power. Sharp LED headlights slicing through the air like a predator locked on its target. This isn't elegance alone, this is aggressive luxury. The kind of presence that makes every other car on the road feel invisible. Side view, long luxury body. Now slide over to the side profile, and just take a second. That long, stretched body screams wealth, status, and absolute control. The white paint reflects like a mirror, clean, rich, untouchable. Every line flows like it was sculpted by precision itself. This isn't just a sedan, this is a moving mansion. Back view, power and attitude. Now the rear. Oh, this is where it gets serious. Those glowing red tail lights? Pure attitude. Dual exhausts sitting there like they're ready to explode with power. This car doesn't leave quietly. It leaves a legacy behind it. You don't follow this car, you watch it disappear in dominance. Interior/dashboard, luxury kingdom. Step inside, and welcome to a whole different world. That red interior glowing against the white exterior? Insane contrast. Premium wood, chrome finishes, digital displays, everything feels handcrafted for royalty. This isn't a cabin, this is a private jet on wheels. Every button, every stitch, it screams perfection. Engine, raw power. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Because this beast isn't just about looks, it's built to dominate. A powerful engine delivering insane performance, smooth acceleration, and unstoppable force. You press the pedal, and it doesn't move, it launches. This is not driving, this is controlled aggression. Highway shot, speed and dominance. Out on the highway, this car transforms. Gliding at high speed, smooth like silk but fast like a missile. Other cars? Left behind like they're standing still. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur owns the road. No competition, no limits. Night shot, elite presence. And at night? This is where it becomes unreal. City lights reflecting off that white body, neon glow dancing across the surface. Headlights cutting through the darkness like a king arriving in silence. This isn't just luxury anymore, this is power in the shadows. Showroom presence, final impact. Back in the showroom, doors open, red interior glowing. This car doesn't sit, it poses. Every angle, every detail, perfection. It's built to impress, built to dominate, built to win attention. Price, premium status. And yeah, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur comes in at around $230,000 plus depending on customization. But let's be real, this isn't about price. It's about status, power, presence. If you have to ask, you already know. Outro, channel call. This is not just a car, this is a lifestyle upgrade. This is what happens when luxury meets aggression. This is Channel V8X, where power meets prestige. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we don't show cars, we show legends. Fire.